From the outside, these floors look like typical wide planked white oak flooring, but there's something unique that lies underneath. Something that's a game changer. These floors are installed via the glue down method. In this story, we're going to go over how to glue down hardwood floors. This method makes floors solid when walking on them, it helps regulate temperature, and it helps dampen sounds. To me, it's a far superior method than floating floors. I'm Andrew, and I'm a DIYer. Right now I'm working on installing hardwood floors with the glue down method in the closet of our primary bathroom. Let's jump right into it. Now I'm right in the middle of this project, but let me catch you up. I've already installed the Cork underlayment. This required Cork underlayment adhesive and a 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch square notch trowel. And now I'm about halfway through installing the hardwood floors on top of the Cork. I've got just enough time to give some of my best pointers. To me, there's one step that stands out: wearing gloves and long sleeves. This step is worth it because the glue is extremely hard to get off the skin. Other than that, gluing these floors down is pretty straightforward. I slap some glue on the floor and then trowel it with a 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch square notch trowel. The floor then just sits on top of it, no back button required. The most difficult step is getting all the gaps closed. I left about a 1/2 inch against the walls, which the baseboards will cover. This allows the hardwood to expand and contract. And that's a wrap on this hardwood install. It's quick and easy. It took about 45 minutes to do this small room. But that's just a preview of what's to come. I've got a whole lot of flooring left to install. 1,700 square feet, all with the glue down method. To me, the glue down method is worth it. But what do you think? It is a lot of work. I'll be back soon.